So for number 2, okay, now let me tell you how I would do it, okay, normally. What I would first do is that when I see this and this, I would immediately rewrite the whole equation so that I can clearly see my see what the dummy variable is. I would say, oh, okay, so the dummy variable, it's going to be 3 to the x. And by the way, you can use whatever letter you want for dummy variable. You can use A, you can use B, you can use whatever letter you want. That's not really the problem here. So you say, oh, all right, that's easy. So you just say a squared minus 10a plus 9 equals to 0. And you just go ahead and factor. Now, I do want to make a point. And the point is, why do I call this a dummy variable? Because you would not, I would not suggest you to use it when you are beyond algebra 2. Like when you're in pre-calc, let me tell you what I would expect you to do in pre-calc. You would go straight from here, and you would say, oh, I can see how to factor. You would actually factor this with 3 to the x. You would say 3 to the x minus 9 and 3 to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. If you're in pre-calc, that's what I would expect you to do. But you're in algebra 2, I would say, all right, go ahead, use a dummy variable to get you through the challenge right here. So you'd be like, oh yeah, this is parentheses a minus something, a minus something. So go ahead, figure it out. So again, the left-hand side will be algebra 2. The right-hand side is what I would expect you to do as a pre-calc student. So you know what my expectation is. So you would say a is equal to 9 and a is equal to 1. And then you bring back the 3 to the x power. And you can simply ask yourself a question. 3 to the what power is 9? And you say, well, 3 squared, it's 9. 3 to the what power, it's 1. And you say, 3 to the 0 power, it's 1. Okay. And on the right-hand side, if you do it the pre-calc way, then you know this. So the idea is that you save yourself some time. Because by the time you go to pre-calc, you're smarter. And you can do things just a little bit faster without the use of dummy variable. So I want you to know that that's the transition right here. Good? Good?